Look! Spin the wheel and get a free toy. It just costs 1 coin. Exact change, please. Our favorite penguin girl, Gugu Gaga. Congratulations! It looks like twins. Ah, let the sibling rivalry commence. Maybe a triplet will even the odds. Or would that be odding the evens? Hey, look, an egg! And it's filled with blocks. Maybe we can build them a sister. After all, they're penguins. They do come from eggs. Now that's what I call a penguin. So big you can live in her. We're even laying down the green carpet. They seem to like the grass, but they're penguins. We know that their real element is water. So let's make them a pool or bathtub or something. It's really coming together, but maybe add some sealant. Of course, we can't forget the most important ingredient, and that would be water. Cool, clean water. Come on in, girls. The water's fine. And papery. Oh, precious moments. Grab the camera. Of course, these girls are ice babies. We gotta make them a real cool tool. And maybe turn up the AC in here. We'll need to make some room on top. And no one minds a little branding. We're gonna need something to hold the ice. Now to try out our new dispenser. It works! Time to make things real cool. Guess these girls don't do jacuzzis. Of course, you're not fish. You'll need time on dry land. And what better way to spend it than on lounge chairs? Ice cream? Well, swimming's thirsty work. Seriously, all that water and not a drop to drink. So we're going all out with an entire ice cream stand. Are you a cone or a cup person? No wrong answers. We've got all sorts of flavors, from chocolate to mint. Plus a whole bunch of cookie toppings. What are we missing? Scoop! There it is! Quick, girls! Have a bite before it melts. So much to choose from! How about today's special? Let's try some butter pecan in a waffle cone. Some chocolate on top, plus a cookie roll and a wafer. How about pistachio and strawberry for you? I'll take pistachio and chocolate, the Dubai special. Uh-oh, someone's making a mess. Looks like we need a napkin holder. And napkins too, I assume. Either way, it's all just paper anyway. The Minion delivery service is top-notch. Get him a banana. Let's cut into squares. Fold it nicely. I hope this stuff is 2-ply. Okay, girls, let's clean those faces. And maybe get you some floss while we're at it. But you girls need to burn off some energy. Why don't we make you somewhere to play? We're gonna need to light things up. This place is gonna be lots of fun. But it also needs to look fun, like a great big blue penguin, complete with a friendly face on top. But we're gonna need some cushion for the pushing.
Wow.
Grab something spongy and cover with something silky. Wow! Your very own penguin fort! Let's just say forts are kind of our forte. Next up, who's up for a little foursquare? Just kidding, but we're gonna need 4 squares. Next, we're gonna need to bend them into 4 corners. First, make a cootie catcher. Now into a box. Next up, roll up another piece of paper. Make sure it looks like a long reed. But maybe trim a little off the top. Bring them all together. And we've got cubbies. Room for your penguin toys, yummy treats, and drinks that don't need to be refrigerated, apparently. Still, I would get to the pie sooner rather than later. Why don't we make time for arts and crafts? It's like Shrinky Dinks on opposite day. But our teddy friend could use some eyes and ears. A sunny disposition won't hurt either. Who says being a pizza face is uncool? Careful, don't let the moon hit your eye. We've already got the pizza pie. Wow, we've got our very own clock. I hope it's got a snooze button. Bears love to sleep. Oh, hey, a special delivery? Matchboxes? We don't need that. The girls like things cold. A cockroach? Let's try box number 2. But be careful. A candy unicorn. Tastes like rainbows. But as all kids know, the real fun is in the box. In fact, we're making boxes in boxes. That's right, we're making cupboards. We could use some honey. Well, speak of the Winnie. The only thing fresher is straight from the hive. More importantly, save this bear head. It's just what our little craft needs next. Wait a minute, a basin. We're making a sink. Complete with mirror, mug, and even some brushes. Okay, girls, time to brush those teeth. Or beaks. It's bedtime, but let's make it a sleepover. Have no fear, your Stuffy's here to protect you. Are you afraid of the dark? Who isn't? Where's a nightlight when you need it? Well, for the time being, we can make one. Take an old cap and make it nice and cozy. That's the exterior, but it's what's on the inside that counts. That's right, we're making a lamp. But still, let's find more things to help decorate it. Shells and pearls, straight from the sea. And a Labubu. She'll watch over you. There's nothing to be afraid of. Good night, girls. Don't let the bed bugs bite. Don't bite them either. Penguins prefer fish. Wow, this place is really coming together. We've made ourselves our very own penguin paradise. Our own little chunk of Antarctica.